It's the blackout, Rory got the back out, showing my black ass, engine in the glass house, started in the crack house, Obama went the back route, killed Bin Laden, another 4 up in the black house, still got the max out, pull a mask down like a mascot, still trick with bitches, I with money, her with ass shots, good had room for one more, I took the last spot, re-up game Peter, nigga, yeah, then hit the jackpot, whole nother level, then you add fame, that's a whole nother devil, legit drug dealer, that's a whole nother bezel, the carbon auto mall, that's a whole nother metal, but still keep it ghetto, behind the scenes pull strings like Geppetto, the gun blow steam, whistle like a tea kettle, running like the rebels, you an LV sports shoe on a pedal, I let you niggas settle, yeah. Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind, trouble on my mind, so much trouble on my mind, trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind, trouble on my mind, so much trouble on my mind, on my mind.
Pharrell said get him, so I got him. Tripped on Brewster Palin, then I accidentally shot him. Then it ricocheted and killed the game. I'm a problem, cause I wanna fuck the world, but not a fan of using condoms. Pardon my French, I'm going hard as my dick when I envision my tip on the crust of bitch lips. Mr. Lip Shits has been tripping since I mentioned Reptar, Triceratops, dinosaur dick. I feel it in my gut. To kill these motherfuckers is a must like the arm of my pits. You niggas coming shorter than a Bushwick Billy costume on sale during Christmas in Philly. Well, not really. It's getting kinda chilly. Let's hit a couple bars and get some bitches wet willies. Soaked getting jiggy with it and Bel Air's riches with a bag of pills, couple berries and a biscuit.
Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind. On my mind.
I'm a fucking walking paradox and a really shitty rapper in my favorite pair of socks. Iron pair of Dockers, 2 Glocks cock screaming with the speakers blasting a pair of pots. Yonkers 10 milli.